Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to do the second part of linear equations in one variable. How to solve them using the transposition method. To help us learn this method, we will use age-related word problems. In our Easter special video, we learned how to solve equations using balancing method. If you haven't watched it yet, do check out the link in the description below. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here are 5 age-related sentences. You have to convert each into an algebraic expression. Before you do that, please note, use minus when it comes ago or before, plus for hence or after, and multiplication for times. Let Malu's present age be x years. Now you have to convert them into algebraic expressions. The first sentence is, what will be her age 4 years from now? X plus 4. That's correct. Next one. What was her age 5 years ago? Ago means minus. So it will be x minus 5. That's right. Third one. What is her grandfather's age if it is 6 times her present age? So it is 6x. That's also correct. Fourth one. What will be her age 3 years hence? When it comes hence, you have to use plus. So it will be x plus 3. Her mother's age is 4 years more than 3 times her age. 3 times her age means 3x and 4 years more means plus 4. So the answer is 3x plus 4. Here is an age-related question which I am going to use for solving by both the methods, balancing method and transposition method. The question is, Alice is 3 years older than twice Bob's age. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 26. Find their current ages. In such questions, you have to suppose what is asked. But here there are two people, Alice and Bob. You can suppose the age of only one person, and that is, we'll take it as Bob. So the first step will be to define the variable. Let Bob's age equal to x. Now in step 2, Bob's age 5 years ago, x minus 5. We call it as equation number 1. Now in the third step, Alice's age. Alice is 3 years older than twice Bob's age. So how will it come? 2x plus 3. Now the most important step, because we are going to compare the ages 5 years ago, you have to write in next step Alice's age 5 years ago. It will be 2x plus 3 minus 5. After simplification, you will get this as 2x minus 2. Now what is the next step? You have to set up the equation. The sum of their ages was 26. So according to the given condition, you have to add both Bob's age 5 years ago plus Alice's age 5 years ago. And we get here x minus 5 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 26. Now you have to solve for x. Let us use the same equation, the last equation that we got, x minus 5 plus 2x minus 2 equal to 26, and this we'll use for finding the value of x by both the methods, by the method of balancing and method of transposition. So simplify this. So we get here x minus 5 plus 2x minus 2 equal to 26. You have to remove the minus 5 and minus 2 from the left hand side. So you have to add plus 5 plus 2 on both the sides. You have added plus 5 on both sides and also plus 2 on both the sides. Now you can cancel minus 5 plus 5, minus 2 plus 2 from the left hand side, and we get x plus 2x is equal to 26 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 3x is equal to 33. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 11. Now what is x? X is Bob's age. So Bob's current age is 11 years. Now we have to find out Alice's age. But before that, I want to show you the method of transposition. Now what do you mean by transposition? Transposition is a method of solving an equation where you move a number or variable from one side of the equation to the other by changing its sign. We'll start from this step. X minus 5 plus 2x minus 2 equal to 26. Now here we have to remove minus 5 and minus 2. In balancing of equations we did plus 5 plus 2. We have to take minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So when there is a change of side, please remember there is a change of sign. So minus 5 will become plus 5. Next we have to remove minus 2. Minus 2, when it goes from the left hand side to the right hand side, that will become plus 2. Now all these steps which we have done in balancing of equations, same are repeated. After simplification we get x equal to 11. X is Bob's age. Now we'll find Alice's age. 2x plus 3. Now substitute the value of x, which is equal to 11. So we get here 2 times 11 plus 3, which is equal to 25. So Alice's current age is 25 years. Next question is based on n years ago and n years before. The question is, 5 years ago my age was half of what it is now. What is my present age? So you have to suppose the present age to be x, and you will frame the equation first, and you will get the equation as x minus 5 is equal to half x. The solution I am showing here, you can complete it yourself. You have to multiply both sides by 2 and then open the bracket and then use the transposition method. So for that you have to take x from the right hand side to the left hand side and minus 10 from left hand side to the right hand side, and you will get x equal to 10. The answer is 10 years. Here is the second type of age related question. N years later, n years hence, after n years. The question is in sentence form. In 3 years, I will be twice as old as I was 4 years ago. So you have to suppose your present age to be x. In 3 years means x plus 3. I will be twice as old as I was 4 years ago. So 2 times x minus 4. You have to solve, open the bracket, and here I have just changed the sides. A equal to B is same as B is equal to A. Now I am going to use the method of transposition. So x I will bring to the left hand side and 8 I will take it to the right hand side. So you get x is equal to 11. So present age is 11 years. Here are 3 questions for you, a transposition challenge. You try to answer them. On Friday's video, we'll solve these 3 questions and the remaining ones too. So stay tuned. Dear viewers, prefer watching in Hindi? Turn on captions and select Hindi. And here are the instructions. Enjoy learning in your own language. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button now so you will know the moment the next video goes live. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and take care.